Hello everyone. So now I want to show you how you can build your agentic flow with the AIdeaBlocks platform. As soon as you log in, you'll notice all your recent flows are easily accessible right here on the home page. But let's click on a new flow to build a new flow. And once inside, I will connect to a dataset. For now, I'll choose Google Drive, click Browse. And select a data. I am going to use my orders table for this demo and I hit select. The data will get loaded. For this one, I am going to close this agentic chat. We will discuss this in more depth, in more details in one of our next videos. So now that the data is loaded, I can quickly look at this grid button and check the data quality, and it'll give you some picture of if there are any null counts or what is the null percentage, and you can check that for any column that you're interested in by selecting the column from this drop down. Once you're happy, you can click on this and we go back to the data view. Now for this step, let's use our natural language to come up with a step. So I'm going to tell this flow calculate speed in hours by subtracting order date from shipping date. So I'm trying to calculate the difference between order and shipping, and I'm telling I want it in hours. And once I'm done, I click this green checkbox and I hit generate. What it's doing is it's generating, taking my natural language command, and it's generating a code. I can quickly check the code by clicking this switch view button, and if you are an engineer and you can understand, you can quickly verify. You can edit the code here itself as well. Once you're happy with it, now I can run it in two ways. First is I can run this step right here, or I can run all the steps. Run all the steps. If you have an 8-step flow, run on the top will run all 8 of them. But if I click this box on step number 6, it'll run up to step 6. So that's the difference in two. But let me click run here. And now you will see it added a column called speed in hours, and it's giving the number in hours. So it was very easy for me to add that. Now you might want to add more steps to it. For adding more steps, you can insert a block by clicking this add block, and then you can see all the available blocks. Sometimes you might not know which is the best block for me. Not a problem. You can enter your prompt here. For example, I would say calculate the total amount and group it by payment type. So I do not know which is the best block for me. I just ask AI to do that for me and I hit insert. So now it'll analyze my prompt, find the best block for my needs, and it'll put it right there in the canvas. And now I can hit generate to generate the code. And within few seconds the code is generated. I can check the code, and once I'm happy, I hit run to run up to this step. And there I have my answer right here. Now once you're happy with your flow, you can quickly go here, type order underscore demo, give it a name, description, orders, and hit save. And now it gets saved, and you will find it in the home page under agentic flows that this new flow is saved there and easily available for you. For now, I'll stop here. We'll go in more details in our next video.